quiet. So right now it's a really weird thunderstorm. Ooh, it's starting to rain. Let's go check it out. It was like really bad thundering. Now it's raining. I'm so glad I didn't go. My mom went to Walmart, I think, and I wanted to go, but she left me. Oh my God. That is crazy. Wow. Oh. Summer's ending, I think. And what's it called? Fall? Yeah, fall's coming. August. Check out in the backyard. I want to go out. There it is. See that? See that? Puddle. And it's like warm hot outside. It's warm hot? No, it's like warm outside. Yeah, that's probably one of the many storms coming through this way. Let's just go ahead and make it a 2-minute video. Got 2 seconds.